Welcome back, P. Sherman Tech here, and I want to go through some of the updates that I've done to the BUV Beach Utility Vehicle 1.x, a remote control beach cart, and let's take a look. So this used to be a Power Wheels Dune Racer. The Dune Racer has an all-metal square tube steel frame, which is really good for converting to something without the plastic body. So I painted the chassis black, but I've also put some rubber tires on. These are actually Jeep Power Wheels Jeep Wrangler hubs, and with the rubber tires that just fit perfectly. I also put, if you can see, I put the bicycle tread on this so it doesn't make as much noise going on hard pavement. I'll show you. I've got, let's see. Okay, so I've got a Servo City 2-inch throw steering controller with, I forgot what you call that thing. Yeah, I still can't remember. And in the back, I've got upgraded the motors to 775 motors. I've got little dust covers made onto them, and some tape here to keep the sand out of there. And these are my electrical connections, but I also extended the frame a little bit to put my electronics box here, and I got a strap for that. So this goes to the steering servo, and then these are the motor control power. So I just hooked those up to the electronics box, which I'll show you now. By the way, this aluminum cage I built is detachable with some clevis pins, so for transport. So here is the electronics box. I'm charging it right now, charging the 12 volt system. Haven't done anything for that except to replace the battery with the regular motorcycle battery. So go ahead and take that out. And I got my voltmeter. I've got a USB charger right here. I keep it off because it's always on, battery 12 volts, so I can turn it on with that. Charge your phone while you're on the beach. There's the voltmeter switch and a fan switch, and this is the main power for the 12 volts to the electronics. This is, some people use a relay for that. And so got this box here. It's a nice little mess. But I'll talk about the electronics first. This is a RoboClaw. I think it's a dual 30 amp motor controller here, and that's connected to the RC receiver, and this also sends power to, well, it sends power. And see, this is the battery connector, and then these are the these go to the motors, this and this one. This is a regular Arduino, and it is used here with some code to recenter the steering. When you let go of the, it goes back to the center. So I've had a lot of interest in the code for the Arduino, and I will do that in a later video. I'll just go ahead and do a screen capture from my desktop and talk about the code. I mostly got it from finding sources online and just adapting it to to this IBT2, which really isn't hard. But I will follow that up. So subscribe and get a notification. So then this is a simple and cheap IBT2 motor controller, low amperage, which drives the steering servo in and out. Potentiometer is the word I was looking for. It is a steering servo with a potentiometer built in. So I've got my antenna poked through the wall here. Take it out carefully and just lift this up, and you can see just a bunch of wiring for all the switches and stuff. So no big deal there. You can see the fan switch. I turn the fan on here. That runs the fan. Keep it cool inside the box. And this is a standard RC controller. Nothing fancy there. It's $40 from Amazon. So I think that's about it. Let me know what you think. Thanks.